Well, no, we gotta document the booth.
Oh, we gotta document. I can cut this off.
Yeah, of course.
You said it.
It's our growing honor to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Dorn.
Wait, we're not done.
This is Yunanima's sari.
This is the one we cut up, right?
Yes, so she's here with us.
Wait, it's gotta be even though. Yeah. It is what it is. Beauty is pain. Pain is beauty. Vanity hurts. Hi. Wait, I have garbage in my hand.
Cute. Ice cream man.
Do you want popsicle?
Oh, you like these. Thank you.
You guys need popsicles?
Actually, yes.
Watermelon, organic.
I think we just move our hands. I think we're good, right? Hi.
Enjoy. Enjoy. Your ice cream.
Oh my god.
Touch everybody's eye. Yeah, maybe we leave it. It's kind of tilted. Maybe
I was just gonna say, yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
I need time to do something over here.
Well, you were going the wrong way? Is that what I heard?
I was going the wrong way, actually.
You were not gonna want that.
What a light. I told her.
Oh, she really wants you to go. Say summer party. Look, my reminder to wash my hair. Yeah, that's a great idea.
You host it. Okay. We find another dime.
Can we put them on the table? Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
We just cut the stems off.
Stems off? What are you doing? I'm filling it up. Guys, that actually doesn't look bad, right?
Actually, no, it doesn't look
It
bad.
doesn't look bad. Leave the leaves. Leave the leaves.
That looks bad. Save the leaves. Save the leaves.
Oh, I'm gonna put the sign up too. Put it tomorrow.
Yeah, put it
Yeah,
together.
yeah.
Oh, you're making a list.
Yeah, go ahead, make yourself at home.
Morning.
Lifesavers. You got more?
We're trying to bring 20 bags in already. We serious? Yeah. Grab that. Now put that on top. How do you like this?
I love it.
I did it, bud. This is all me. What? Do me a favor. Put this in the freezer.
Crazy kid.
I know. I didn't know if you did, so I didn't want to leave it in the cart. I'm glad he was hot, and then just put it.
Oh, no.
Actually, that looks really good. See, like now it's all filled. Now it's filled.
Nice. It's okay, whatever you did kind of feels good. Oh my god, look at my Aryan. He is so excited. Oh, Kygo. Oh, and Crazy Pants. Oh, yeah. Yeah, matching. No, stop, let them come here.
Sandipa. Come on. Did you know what you did?
That was the most clever way to hide this.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ready? Get her. You gotta go on the side. The camera's there too. Sign, seal, deliver. Oh. You got a taco? We got the word. This is the best touch. It really is. Anna, you see that? Adrian. Cute. Hold both hands.
We'll just go over this. Once a week.
You're lucky you got that.
It was a lot. To make and to find it.
You have to crack it and then you have to drive over it.
Do I got a block? I'm here for Runty and Frina. They're not here yet, so we need a little bit more. What are you doing, Faisal? Yeah, you should keep it.
Well, I will. I'm gonna put that up like when we have parties and stuff.